Hey everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today here we are at my YouTube page and we need to change the banner. I just put this up there when I started and it's still there, and I kind of just want people to know, like, this is what I do, or hey, I'm not a child. So let's go change it. We're going to go to Canva at Canva, and we are going to design a new banner for YouTube. So if you go in here and you type in YouTube, okay. Channel art, there we go. This is gonna pull up a 2560 by 1440, and that's what the dimensions for the YouTube channel is. We want our own banner size, so we are going to create our own. Okay. And we're gonna just make the background black for now. Okay, so now we are going to go to elements and shapes, and let's just choose a shape here. Okay, so now everything shows up on every device, like tablets and phones, and that is 1546 by 423. So the height is 423. So let's do that. 423 and 1546. Boy, I think I need my glasses on. 1546. So let's go 44. Okay, we're going to go 45, a little bit smaller, that's fine. Okay, so let's put this in the middle. There we go. And then we want to choose another one. This we're going to make a different color. Let's just choose, purple. And we're going to make this 1855 wide. So we're going to go here. And this will be for tablets. There we go. Okay, and we're going to center that both directions. Okay, so now we're going to go here and we are going to make these about 50% just so we can see what we're doing. And I need to get back in here. Let's do the same here. 50%, there, about there. Put this guy back on here. Okay, now is he all lined up? So hopefully we have them all lined up. That looks about right. Then we can go to show rulers, and then you can draw lines over here that will show you about where you have these little squares. So I am going to put some ruler guidelines in there. Okay, there we go. So this is going to be like computer, and then the tablet, and then cell phones. Yes, it is that complicated, but it's better to always do it yourself and learn how to do it than pay someone else. I definitely learned from being a single mom how to save money. Okay, so we do not need these pieces anymore. We are going to delete them. We do not want these, but we have this awesome ruler to go by. This is what we want. Okay. Now, I've never made this one before, so hopefully this works out good. Okay, let's see here. And how does that look? So I'm really looking at that middle to see what is going on in that middle, because that's what I'm really concerned about. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, so I want a border. We're going to choose a border here. And I don't need it like super big. Okay, and then I'm going to add my photo in here. Okay, let's do. Okay, good enough. And I'm not going to even look at my photo because I hate looking at myself. Here is a border that I chose. I think I put frame or border. And then I need white. So we're going to do white. Okay, beautiful. I like that. Okay. Make sure it's centered. Is that centered? There we go. Okay, so I like that. Okay, I'm going to choose a gray. I think I like this. So then I'm going to go to elements and I'm just going to choose a shape. And I want to make little shapes here. Okay, I want the exact copy, paste, and these will behave themselves. Copy, paste. Okay, I'm going to be very careful here. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, awesome. Okay, so, whew. Okay, so we are just going to do this, and we need it really small, and we are going to put tips and tricks. I think I'll do tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. And we can go back in later and figure, oh, don't do that to me. Okay. And then we're gonna say to and tacky stuff. And then I want to add another one and let's make it smaller. And I'm going to do growing your business. Okay, so I think that's about what I want to do. This is 33. Okay, 33. 33. Or at least close to it. 33. Okay. So let's see here. Is this all lined up? And it will show you that it is. Okay. Now I want to do text. I'm going to add a heading. And I'm going to call it Market. Okay. Marketplace Boutique. And I want it to be white. Now, I'm going to choose a different font. And I want it to be a little fancy. So, oh, I like that one. Okay, that's perfect. And then I also want it to curve. So I'm going to go to Effects. Here's Curve. And you can adjust it. Because I like being fancy pants. Okay. This needs to go down in size big time. Needs to go down. And I want it as big as possible though. Okay, there we go. So that looks pretty good to me. Hope this was easy enough for you, and I hope that you can make something crafty with your YouTube header. By the way, you want to download right here. Download. And that should be good. So when you go into your YouTube, so if you click on here, which I can do right now, okay, that will take you, change. Okay, so here is this, open. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so make sure to publish that first. Then we're gonna go over to your channel and we're gonna look at it there. Okay, there, that's better than what I had. The only thing I don't like is my picture, but that's okay. I just need to get over it or make a new one. Then I can change it again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.